Today, I'm going to attempt to make the best steak possible, done the easiest way possible. That's going to require two things, the right tools, and to have the best steak, you got to start with the best meat. So we're here in front of Standing's Butcher on Melrose Ave in LA. Standing's Butcher's been here since 2017. He only uses pasture-raised animals, and it has been consistently rated the best butcher in Los Angeles. Step one, best meat, pretty easy to get. I heard a rumor that you used to be vegetarian.
Yeah, I'm vegan at times.
Why now become a butcher?
For exactly the same reasons. I didn't eat meat just for ethical reasons, didn't want to support the meat system the way it is. Gross way we factory farm and stuff. But that's a really passive approach and wasn't really satisfying to me, so taking a more active approach and trying to take money out of that system and give people a better option.
I think top sirloin, petite sirloin. On our path to making the best steak possible, we got the best meat. That's from Jared's Standings. It was easy for me because I just walked there, but anywhere in LA, they'll deliver with Marcado.com, so you can get the best meat brought right to you. Very easy. Mr. Brown of Good Eats on Food Network specifically called out the Joule. He didn't like it because it doesn't have manual controls. I specifically bought it for that reason because, again, I'm trying to do things as easy as possible. Ultimate steak, that's what we're doing. And then it shows me a picture of what I want to do. So I'm going to set the temperature. It shows me the doneness. Yeah, I usually like it on the rare side. So we're going to go rare. I'm going to start it. And it's starting. Now, had I wanted to, I could have turned this on from Jared's on the walk home. But, you know, it's all connected to Wi-Fi. All that's required now is to sear it. Jared likes cast iron. But as you can see, cast iron doesn't age well, and you cannot clean cast iron. You're getting a lot of flavor with cast iron, I guess. It's not easy. I bought this pan a year ago. There's stuff caked on the sides. When I cook with it, this handle gets really hot, and it hasn't lasted well in the dishwasher. I wanted a new pan. And what I found was a website called potsandpans.com. And I figured, you know, a website whose domain is pots and pans has to know what they're talking about. And I stumbled upon the Analon pans. And this checked a lot of boxes for me. It's guaranteed dishwasher safe and comes with a lifetime warranty. It says it's going to last 80 times longer than any other pan. So considering I already need a new pan within a year, 80 times longer than a year, it's 80 years. So presumably this is the only pan I will ever need for the rest of my life. As far as searing goes, it has this nice solid steel. It's gonna hold up to the heat nicely. It's gonna create an even heat for searing. The entire pan is coated with nonstick, so it's not gonna get anything on the sides. They have this stay cool handle, so when I go to grab the pan, I'm not gonna burn my hand. Let's get searing. You wanna get this pan ripping hot. While the pan's getting ripping hot, I just quickly chop some garlic and rosemary, put it in the bag that the seared steak's gonna go in, and I like to do a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce. I think we might be ready. Oh yeah. We're just laying it down real quick. Very easy. I'm not even touching it. I'm literally looking at the clock. I'm gonna flip it in 20 seconds. Flip. Let's check that handle. Totally cool to touch. It did not stick to the pan even though it was very hot. Look at that. That's ice skating on there. Off the heat. Now it goes in the bag. In the bag it goes. So far, pretty easy. Leave the top open so it can create kind of a vacuum around the steak. Doesn't have to be perfect, but we do want it to sink. Gonna hit start. Steaks are gonna be ready in 1 hour and 30 minutes, but I can go do whatever the hell I want right now because it's just gonna text me when it's ready. All right, we're ready to eat. We're gonna get our pan ripping hot again. I'm gonna put a little bit more butter in this time because we're gonna have the sauce and the garlic and the rosemary. We're gonna spoon a little over. But again, cooking it It's gonna be real easy. Steaks going in with everything in the bag. What's nice about this pan is it's got a nice big lip, which means I can take some sauce from the side really easily and put it up there. It's pretty easy. We're done. Let's eat. If this was cast iron, this would be stuck on there. Cleanup should be a breeze. Yeah, nothing's caked on. It's rinsing off without any effort. I mean, I would say that's clean right there. But I'm gonna put it in the dishwasher anyways. And there we go. Easy. Ooh. That is cooked perfectly. This was beyond easy. Getting the meat was easy. The cooking process was easy. And this is gonna be delicious. All you need are the right tools, the right meat, and a good sear. Delicious. You want some? Okay.